Good morning, everyone.
Hi.
Let's pick up where we left off yesterday.
Snow days, swim meets, in-person instruction, and after-school jobs.
Can we do ours as a video?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
The learning journey doesn't have to stop at the classroom door. Every student is unique, and so is their journey. They deserve a unique and flexible learning experience that meets their needs so they can pursue their dreams. Student Dashboard Digital Backpack. Take learning anywhere.